Picky!
Hello everyone! Come and join me. Let's draw George Pig dressed up as a cute little bat. He's ready for some Halloween fun and looks so adorable. Are you ready? Let's go! George loves dressing up, especially for Halloween. He picked a bat costume this year. Do you think Peppa would dress up to match George? Maybe as a witch or a friendly ghost. What would you pick? It's a clever idea. Bats are nocturnal, which means they stay up at night, just like George does on Halloween. Bats use their ears to find their way in the dark, just like George is using his big bat ears in his costume. The eyes of George Pig are open now. I believe he enjoys what he sees. His bat wings are soft and shiny, perfect for Halloween night. George loves pretending he can fly with his bat wings, zooming all around. George's bat costume has sparkles on the wings, which make him shine under the Halloween lights. What do you think? Is George's bat costume spooky or cute? I think it's a bit of both, don't you? If George could fly, where do you think he'd go first? Maybe to visit Peppa or explore outside at night? Awesome! Our George Pig as a bat looks amazing. Adding color will make him look prepared for Halloween fun. Let's bring George Pig to life with your favorite crayons or markers. George's favorite part of Halloween is trick-or-treating with Peppa Pig. He loves telling spooky stories with his friends and family. Are you finding it enjoyable? I agree. George loves to say boo to his friends. Do you think he'd be a good little spooky bat? Fun would follow. If you were dressing up as an animal, what would you choose? A bat, a cat, or maybe something else? What a great idea! Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Do you think George likes being a bat for Halloween? He looks so happy. George loves treats. What kind of candy do you think he'd like best? Do you have a favorite Halloween candy? I like that too. Would you like to go trick-or-treating with George? What treats would you share with him? That sounds delicious. Now that he's in his bat costume, do you think George is ready for some Halloween fun? I think he's all set. Well done! Our George Pig as a bat looks super cute and ready for Halloween. Show our artwork and tell them all about George's Halloween adventure. We did a fantastic job! Keep being creative, and we'll see you soon!